This is Caroline. She's a very weird psycho person. At least I think so.
What you doing? Going to bed? I think you're going to bed. You see this piece of little ice?
It's actually snow.
I don't care! And this is a big piece of ice. See? Now, watch what's going to happen to it. And that's how a piece of ice hit someone on the head and make a boo-boo.
She hurt me.
Okay, turn it off.